Cancer thrives in environments it loves: sugar, low oxygen, and acidity. But did you know there are 12 everyday products that can turn your body into a cancer-fighting fortress? These foods, backed by science and the expertise of Dr. Barbara O'Neill, could be the key to starving cancer before it ever takes hold. Let's get started. 1. Alkaline grains. Cancer cells love acidic environments, but you can make it hard for them by eating more alkaline grains. Millet, quinoa, oats, and brown rice help balance your body's pH, making it less acidic and less inviting for cancer to grow. These grains are not only alkaline, but also full of fiber, which keeps your digestive system clean by pushing out harmful substances. Fiber is super important because it binds with toxins and gets rid of them before they can do damage. The American Institute for Cancer Research says eating at least 90 grams of whole grains a day can reduce your chances of getting colon cancer. When you eat grains like millet and quinoa, you're not just filling your belly, you're protecting your body in a simple but powerful way. These grains are also easy to add to your daily meals. Whether it's breakfast oatmeal or a side of brown rice with dinner, they make a small change that could have a big impact on your health. 2. Lima beans. Lima beans might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to cancer-fighting foods, but they pack a punch. These beans contain protease inhibitors, which are compounds that block the formation of cancer cells. They're especially good at fighting off breast and colon cancer. But that's not all. Lima beans are also high in fiber, helping to keep your blood sugar levels steady. Cancer cells thrive on sugar, so keeping your blood sugar in check is key. By adding lima beans to your meals, you're not just getting a nutritious side dish. You're taking steps to starve cancer cells of what they need to grow. You can add them to soups, salads, or even use them as a main dish. It's an easy, healthy addition that could make a real difference. 3. Lentils. Lentils are small, but they do big things when it comes to cancer prevention. They're loaded with folate, a B vitamin that helps cells divide properly. When your body doesn't get enough folate, your risk for cancers like colon and breast cancer goes up. Lentils help make sure your cells stay healthy and divide the way they should. On top of that, lentils are a great source of fiber. We know that fiber keeps the digestive system clean, but it also helps stabilize blood sugar. Since cancer cells feed on sugar, having steady blood sugar levels is important to starve those cells of their fuel. Lentils are super easy to add to your diet. They're perfect for soups, salads, and side dishes. Eating lentils regularly is a simple way to lower your cancer risk while keeping your body nourished. 4. Soy. Soy is often talked about, and for good reason. It's a powerful tool in fighting cancer. Soybeans are rich in isoflavones, which are compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. These isoflavones can actually lower the risk of hormone-related cancers like breast and prostate cancer by blocking real estrogen from fueling cancer cells. Soy is also packed with protein and nutrients, making it a great addition to your diet. You can enjoy it in many forms, like tofu, tempeh, or soy milk. Studies suggest that moderate soy consumption can help reduce cancer risks without the need for large amounts. Adding soy to your meals is simple and can make a big difference in lowering your cancer risk. Just be sure to opt for organic, non-GMO options to get the best benefits. 5. Lemons. Lemons are more than just a refreshing fruit. They're packed with cancer-fighting power. They're loaded with alkaline minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals help balance your body's pH, creating an environment where cancer cells struggle to survive. One of the best things about lemons is their high antioxidant content, especially in the peel. The compound limonene, found in the peel, has been shown to help prevent the spread of cancer cells and even trigger cancer cell death. Lemons also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important because cancer cells feed on sugar. You can easily add lemons to your daily routine. Squeeze some lemon juice into water, sprinkle zest on your meals, or add it to your salad dressing. It's a simple, tasty way to give your body a cancer-fighting boost. 6. Almonds and Brazil nuts. Almonds and Brazil nuts aren't just tasty, they're loaded with nutrients that help fight cancer. These nuts are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help keep blood sugar levels stable. Cancer cells rely on sugar, so controlling your blood sugar is a key part of starving them out. Brazil nuts are especially high in selenium, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of certain cancers, like prostate cancer. Almonds, on the other hand, are packed with vitamin E, which helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Just a small handful of these nuts daily can provide big benefits. You can snack on them, add them to salads, or mix them into yogurt. It's an easy way to boost your cancer defenses while enjoying a delicious snack. 7. Kale. Kale is often called a superfood, and for good reason. It's packed with cancer-fighting nutrients, like vitamins C and E, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. But the real star of the show is kale's glucosinolates. These compounds help detoxify your body and prevent the growth of cancer cells. Eating kale regularly supports your body's ability to get rid of toxins that can turn into cancer. Whether you toss it into a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or sauté it as a side dish, kale is an easy way to give your body the nutrients it needs to fight back. Kale is also rich in fiber, which helps keep your digestion healthy and reduces inflammation, both important for reducing your cancer risk. It's a simple addition to your diet that could make a big difference over time. 8. Collard greens. Collard greens might not be as popular as kale, but they are just as powerful when it comes to fighting cancer. These leafy greens are packed with antioxidants like quercetin and beta-carotene, which help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Inflammation is often linked to cancer, so keeping it in check is crucial. Collard greens also contain glucoraphanin, a compound that supports your body's detoxification process. This helps your body get rid of harmful carcinogens before they can cause damage. Plus, collard greens are loaded with fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and lowers the risk of colon cancer. Whether you cook them as a side dish or add them to soups and salads, collard greens are a simple way to give your body the support it needs to prevent cancer. 9. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green that packs a powerful punch against cancer. It's full of alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and helps prevent cancer cell growth. Spinach is also a great source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a key role in healthy cell division. Without enough folate, your cells are more likely to develop mutations that can lead to cancer. But spinach doesn't stop there. It also provides plenty of fiber, which helps with digestion and reduces the risk of colon cancer. Fiber keeps things moving smoothly in your gut, which is essential for clearing out harmful toxins. You can easily add spinach to your diet by tossing it in salads, blending it into smoothies, or cooking it as a side dish. It's a simple, nutrient-packed addition that can help keep cancer at bay. 10. Parsley. Parsley isn't just a garnish, it's a serious cancer-fighting herb. It's rich in a compound called apigenin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties help protect your cells from damage and lower your risk of developing cancer. Parsley is also packed with myricetin, a compound known to help prevent cancer cells from spreading. This herb supports your body's natural defenses, making it harder for cancer cells to take root and grow. Whether you sprinkle parsley over your meals or blend it into a green smoothie, it's an easy way to add a cancer-fighting boost to your diet. It's more than just a decoration on your plate. It's a powerful tool for better health. 11. Flax seeds. Flax seeds might be small, but they're packed with cancer-fighting power. They're rich in lignans, a type of antioxidant that helps lower the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers like breast and prostate cancer. These tiny seeds also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties and help prevent cancer cell growth. Flax seeds are easy to add to your diet. You can sprinkle ground flax seeds into smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Just a spoonful a day can boost your body's ability to fight off cancer cells, making flax seeds a simple but powerful addition to your meals. For the best results, make sure to grind the seeds before eating them to help your body absorb the nutrients. 12. Walnuts. Walnuts are not just a tasty snack, they're loaded with cancer-fighting nutrients. These nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in the body, a key factor in cancer prevention. Walnuts also contain gamma-tocopherol, a specific type of vitamin E that has been linked to a reduced risk of breast cancer. Walnuts are packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from free radical damage. The phytochemicals in walnuts, like flavonoids and phenolic acids, help slow cancer cell growth and prevent them from spreading. Just a handful of walnuts a day can provide your body with powerful protection against cancer. Add them to your salads, mix them with yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. It's a small habit that can have big benefits for your health. Conclusion. Now that you know the 12 cancer-destroying products, it's time to put them to work for you. These everyday foods can help your body fight cancer by creating an alkaline environment, balancing blood sugar, and boosting your immune system. The best part? They're easy to add to your daily meals. Whether it's incorporating more grains, nuts, leafy greens, or squeezing a little lemon into your water, small changes can lead to big results when it comes to your health. By making these cancer-fighting foods a part of your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong and healthy. What's the first product you're going to try? Share in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.